Say hi. Show me the birds. What are they doing? What are the birds doing over there? What are they doing? Are they eating breakfast?
Yeah.
They're eating bugs for breakfast. Yeah. Look at them. There's so many. There are so many. Come here. Come here. Come over this way. You can see them. But we have to stay quiet, otherwise we'll scare them away. Look at them. They're eating bugs for breakfast. What do you think? Is that neat?
Scare them.
Yeah, we don't want to scare them. Would you like to be scared when you were eating breakfast? No, so we don't want to scare them while they're trying to eat breakfast. Isn't that neat?
No, Mom.
Okay, say bye-bye, birdies.
Bye-bye.